The KIA Stonic just got a major makeover for 2025, but is this compact crossover finally ready to take on the giants? Let me tell you why this might be the most surprising small SUV you haven't considered yet. Right off the bat, KIA has fixed the biggest complaint about the previous Stonic. Gone is that sluggish, naturally aspirated engine that made overtaking feel like a lifetime commitment. Every single 2025 Stonic now comes with the punchy 1-liter turbocharged 3-cylinder engine that was previously reserved for the top GT line trim. This little powerhouse delivers 74 kilowatts and 172 newton-meters of torque, paired with a 7-speed dual-clutch automatic that actually knows when to shift. The difference is night and day. Where the old Stonic felt breathless climbing hills, this turbo engine gives you genuine confidence whether you're merging onto highways or navigating tight city streets. It's not going to set any speed records, but it delivers exactly the kind of responsive performance you need for daily driving. Step inside and you'll find a surprisingly spacious cabin for something this compact. Front seat passengers get plenty of head and legroom, and the materials feel solid throughout. The 8-inch touchscreen handles Apple CarPlay and Android Auto through wired connections, though wireless charging remains absent. Physical controls for climate and audio are a blessing in an era of screen-obsessed cabins. Here's where things get interesting for families. The rear seats offer decent space for adults on shorter trips, and the 60/40 split-folding configuration maximizes cargo flexibility. Boot space sits at a respectable level for the class, though you won't mistake this for a full-size SUV. Safety credentials remain strong with 6 airbags and a comprehensive suite of driver assistance features including automatic emergency braking, lane keeping assist, and blind spot monitoring on higher trims. The 5-star safety rating provides additional peace of mind, though it's worth noting this rating has recently expired and awaits retesting. On the road, the Stonic delivers exactly what you'd expect from a well-engineered small crossover. The ride quality strikes a nice balance between comfort and control, while the steering provides good feedback for urban maneuvering. Wind and tire noise are present but not intrusive, making longer journeys perfectly bearable. Fuel economy impresses with the mild hybrid system, helping achieve up to 50 miles per gallon in real-world conditions. Service intervals stretch to 12 months or 10,000 kilometers, and KIA's industry-leading 7-year unlimited kilometer warranty provides exceptional long-term coverage. Now for the competitive landscape. The Ford Puma offers sportier handling, the Renault Captur provides more interior space, and the Toyota Yaris Cross delivers legendary reliability. But the Stonic counters with that unbeatable warranty, competitive pricing, and newly improved powertrain. So should the KIA Stonic be on your shortlist? If you prioritize warranty coverage, efficient performance, and distinctive styling in a compact package, absolutely. The turbocharged engine transformation addresses the model's biggest weakness while maintaining everything that made the Stonic appealing in the first place. This isn't the most exciting small SUV you can buy, but it might just be the smartest choice for buyers seeking dependable daily transportation with a dash of personality. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and subscribe for more content just like this. Leave a comment below with your thoughts or questions. I read every single one, and don't forget to click the bell icon to get notified about my next upload. See you in the next video.